Hello guys, welcome back to Bukaster YouTube channel. Today we are going to start our journey to the crypto world. As we mentioned in the channel description that we will be doing videos on how to claim free crypto airdrops. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime we post new videos about new project in the crypto world, you will be the first person to have it. So let us start the video. Okay, welcome back guys. Before we start this journey, we have to have two things down before starting to claim any free crypto airdrop. And those things are crypto exchange account and crypto wallet. There are difference between crypto exchange account and crypto wallet. The differences of this is that in the crypto exchange account or in your crypto exchange account, you can able to buy or sell cryptocurrencies, and you can do trading as well, and then you can do pay-to-pay transaction, any transaction that you want. But the crypto wallets, which is non-custodial wallets, for that one they are just there purposely to save your cryptocurrencies for a very long time. Although you can save your cryptocurrencies in the exchange account, but the secure place is the crypto wallet, which is non-custodial wallet. So let us start on how to have them. There are so many crypto exchange accounts that we have, or crypto exchange apps, but the one that I'm familiar to or common in the system is Binance. You see that Binance, this I've already have it and it needs updates, so I'm using it. You can come to Play Store or maybe your App Store and download Binance. And then the second one is OKX. So the OKX is also an exchange account, which is very simple and easy to use, which I'm using currently too. So now I use OKX more than Binance. So let us go with the OKX, which I'm familiar with now. So when you first open your OKX account app, this is what you will be seeing in the home page. So you have to tap, you just have to tap on sign up or login. After tapping on sign up or login, this is the next thing that you will be seeing. So tap on sign up. Okay, sign up an account to sign up your new account. So they will ask you which country are you, so you tap on Ghana and tap on this, then tap on next. So they will ask you to confirm your location. You tap on confirm location. So now here you have to enter your email address and enter the code of the person who referred you to OKX. So here we are entering our email address. Our email is here. Then you enter the code that who referred you. You see the code under the description. I'll put the code under the description. So please check under the description to see the code and come and put it here and tap on sign up. It's optional. So if you want, you do that. Okay, here is the next thing. People find it difficult to get this. Most people find it difficult to get this. So you see that if you are moving the arrow, you have to put your hand on the arrow, moving it, and it will be moving the missing part of this pattern. So you have to move it to fix the missing part of it. Let it be intact, and then you leave. When you release it, it will fix and mark. Okay, they are trying to test whether you are a robot or a human being. So on this page they will send a verification code to your email. So you go and check in your email box to see that code and come and put it here. So our verification code is 50183. So immediately you just enter that to confirm by yourself. So here you enter your number. Okay, so you put and verify. So again they will send a verification code to your number, so make sure you enter correct number so that you're able to receive the verification code. So I've just received the verification code and it is 662. right, then you create your password. So the password here, you have to create a strong password for your OKX account. You have to mix the uppercase, lowercase, and then characters. Okay, so if you're done creating a strong password, you see all of them will mark correct, it will tick, so you tap on next. So here they're asking you to enable passkey. You just have to tap on skip that one if you like. You have done creating your account like that, so you go back and log in. So after you verify your number, you just have to skip the passkey, then go and log in your account. Then after you've done with the login and enable the passkey, this is the page that you will learn. This will be your next thing. Then you just have to tap on verify now to verify your exchange account. So this will be your next thing. The things that you need to provide are ID and selfie verification, and then personal information. So you have to tap on verify now to proceed. So on the next thing, you see that they are asking of your country or your region of residence. Then you enter. If you are in Ghana, it's already there. Any country that you are, it will be there already. Then you have to tap on the ID tab, type, then they will bring out either you are using driving license, national ID card, or passport. So we are going by the national ID card, which is our Ghana card. Now our Ghana card is our national ID card, so you go by that one. And if you are in a different country, you use that country's national ID. Okay, here on this page you have to they are telling you how to position your ID card to be able to snap it. So they are telling you that, you see, good example, you have to snap the front and then the back. Don't let it don't crop it, don't glare it, and don't blur it. Okay, so that's it. So you tap on this thing. So this is the page that you will see. So you have to snap your ID, that's the front side, then snap the back side too, and then you verified your face. That's all. This is where I'll stop you. You will be able to handle the rest.